Nervous system gathers and processes information from the external environment in order to react, communicate, and maintain the body's health and safety. As we see a beautiful sunset, we notice the colors in the sky, the sound of the ocean, the breeze on the skin, the taste and smell of salt in the air. Through this sensory information, we perceive various sensations. Our perception then allows us to say, "What a beautiful sunset." Cognition is an intricate and complex part, and it allows us to remember, to learn, and to problem solve. And this is what allows us to say, "I believe that the sun will rise again tomorrow." Sensation, perception, and cognition are all related processes, and they help us to understand the world around us. Much of this information comes from our sensory organs, and these are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, our five senses. So let's explore each one. The eye has three main parts: the sclera, which is the white part, the cornea, the clear layer that lets the light in, and the iris, the colored part that controls the pupil. Light enters through the pupil and is focused by the lens onto the retina. This allows the cells turn light into signals. These signals are then sent to the brain by the optic nerve, allowing us to see. Next, we have the ear. The outer ear captures sound and funnels it down to the ear canal to the eardrum, which vibrates. These vibrations are passed to the three small bones called the malleus, incus, and stapes. They send the vibrations to the inner ear. Hair cells in the cochlea detect these vibrations and send signals to the brain, where they are interpreted as sound. In the nasal cavity, nerve receptors on tiny hairs detect airborne chemicals when we inhale. These chemicals bind to receptors, sending signals to the olfactory bulbs and then to the brain for processing. Let's look at the tongue next. Chemicals from food interact with taste buds on the tongue. These chemicals stimulate taste cells, which then send signals to the brain for interpretation. And finally, skin. The skin has various layers called the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, and they specialize in particular receptors that detect touch, pressure, and vibration. These receptors send signals through nerves to the brain, determining sensitivity in different parts of the body. In summary, our sensations, perceptions, and cognition are all connected and are incredibly complex.